Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire knob part number 318602603. The Frigidaire knob part number 318602603 is a replacement part for a range or cooktop. It is a black plastic knob with a white indicator line and a metal shaft. The knob is used to control the temperature of the range or cooktop. It has an off/on switch and can be used to adjust the temperature from low to high. The knob fits most Frigidaire ranges and cooktops, including models beginning with FEF, FGF, FFGF, FGGF, FPES, FPEH, FP, FPGF, FGES, and FGEC. This part comes with instructions for installation and should be replaced if it is damaged or worn out. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement knob for a Frigidaire range or cooktop. It fixes the symptom of a broken or missing knob on the range or cooktop. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the existing knob by pulling it off of the shaft. 3. Insert the new knob onto the shaft and turn it clockwise until it is securely in place. 4. Plug the appliance back into the power source and test to make sure that the knob is functioning properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsipgs.com to order residential appliance parts.